Hi everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn how to create the contact groups in Outlook 365 in 2026. Now, contact groups lets you send one email to multiple people at once without selecting each address every time. So let's walk through it step by step. First of all, you need to open Outlook 365 on your computer. Once you have done that, simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the third tab of People. Now here, once you are inside the people's option, hover over to the top and click on the drop down menu right next to the new contact. Now, once you do this, you will see the option of new contact list. This is actually the group that we can create. So once you see this type of pop-up in front of you, simply give the contact list name. After giving the name, you just have to type the email addresses of the people whom you want to add into this particular group or in this particular list. If you want to give any description, you can just give it, and once you are done, click on the option of create. So this is going to create a contact list for you. With the help of it, you will be able to send the emails to many people at a time. So once you have created this particular list, whenever you click on the option of the new email here on the top, and when you just type the name of that list or the group, it is going to basically send that particular email to all of the people who are available in that group or in that list. So this is how you can create the contact groups in Outlook 365. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.